In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Google Sheets. Let's dive right in and make sure your Google Sheets are secure and accessible only to those you choose. Securing your data is important, and while Google Sheets doesn't have a direct password protection feature, you can still add a layer of security by setting permissions for who can edit the document. Let's go through these steps together. First, open your Google Sheet. If you haven't done this yet, simply go to your Google Drive, click on the file you'd like to protect, and it will open in a new tab. Once you have your sheet open, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see a variety of options there, such as File, Edit, View, and so on. What you want to do next is navigate over to Data. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu with several choices. Within this menu, the option you're looking for is Protect Sheets and Ranges. Go ahead and click on this. It's your gateway to managing who can make changes to your sheet. When you do, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel is where you'll manage the protection settings for your document. Now, you'll want to move on to adding a specific sheet or range to protect. In the panel on the right, click on Add a Sheet or Range. What this does is allow you to choose whether you want to protect an entire sheet or just a specific range of cells. It's a helpful feature, especially if you only want to restrict editing on part of your data. For our purposes today, we're going to protect the entire sheet. So once you've clicked Add a Sheet or Range, select the option labeled Sheet. This selection will ensure that the entire document, rather than just a portion of it, is secured according to the permissions you set. Next, you'll see the Set Permissions button. Clicking on Set Permissions is crucial because this is where you determine who can edit your Google Sheet. You'll be asked to choose who can edit the document by entering specific email addresses or selecting from your contacts. If you want to only allow viewing, you can choose the View Only option, ensuring no one can make any direct changes to your sheet unless you allow them to. After you've set your desired permissions, simply click Done. And that's it. You've now successfully protected your Google Sheet. This method is an effective way to ensure control over who can access and modify your data. While this isn't a password protection per se, setting permissions builds a strong barrier against unauthorized edits. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to keep your data safe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.